Greetings YouTube, welcome back to this video tutorial about PHP object-oriented programming language. In this video we will continue creating our website. We will talk about some of the classes that will handle the logic of the website, or everything that is hidden from the user, the database queries, the algorithms and stuff like that. And we will be using what is called an MVC model. The MVC model stands for Model View Controller. It means that there are PHP files, there are classes that are needed for the model, for the logic of the website, the classes that will handle the database queries, the algorithms and stuff that are hidden from the user. The view is stands for the classes that will handle the interface of the website, the HTML, the forms and everything that is HTML. And the controller are some of the classes that will for example insert into the database or remove from the database and stuff like that. I don't think we will be needing something like that in our website. So let's get to our project file. So I will add these two for this folder, sources, and in this folder I will add another subfolder that I will call classes. Inside this folder we will add all classes that are needed for the website, and another folder for the views, for the classes that will handle the HTML, and a third folder for the includes. There are some PHP files that are not classes and we will be needing them later. So let's go to the folder of the classes. So I will add my first class. I will call it database.class.php. As you can see, later I will be following a naming convention for my classes. All my classes I will be calling them class name .class.php, and later in my video tutorials I will show you why I need to do something like that for my classes. So let's go into the database class.php. PHP class database. In this class I will create a database handler. Let's call it PDO as a private member. And then a public function, the constructor of my database, construct. So PDO new PDO. I will be needing 3 more variables: private host and user and password. for my connection to the database, I will need Mysql host to be this host, and then this user, and then this password. The host will always be localhost. The user in my case is the root in my localhost, and my password for the localhost is 1313. I will try to make a connection using this. If this works, I will echo we are connected. Else I will catch a PDO exception, and I will show the message of this exception. Get message. Okay, let's try this. In my index.php file, I will include require once my sources slash classes slash database dot class dot php, and then I will create a database connection, and I will see. Once we create this object, the constructor will try to make a connection to the host. If this happens, this database will have a PDO connection as a member, and we will use it later. So let's go to our local host. Good, we are connected, and then hello world, and this way we will have a connection to our database. As soon as we get this connection, I will add these two attributes to my PDO. Set attribute default fetch mode. We will always fetch the data as in associative arrays, and we will always have an error mode as exception, not warning. We can make this warning, but we will need the error mode to be exceptions, because it is in our best interest to have exceptions so we can handle them just like we did right now in the construct for the function. Thank you for watching. In this little video tutorial, we just made our database connection. In the next video, we will develop much more this database class and many other classes that will they will inherit this database. So let's see you later.